Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will show you how to add chroma key in Capcut. Alright, the first thing you should do is open your Capcut and then import your video. And then after you import your video, you have to click on overlay option on the bottom of your screen. And then click add overlay. And then select the video you want to add chroma key. I suggest you to choose video with green screen background. And wait for a moment. I'm looking for my video, the video with green screen background, and then after that you need to click add. All right, and we can adjust the length. I'm gonna put this flower effect to my video. All right. Okay, and then you have to make sure that you click on the video with the green screen and then find cutout option. It's right here, and choose chroma key. All right, and then you have to click on color picker. Okay, and choose the green color like this. Okay, and then you have to click intensity. Okay, and then make sure that the intensity is 100% and click on this check mark. Okay, and let's check it together. Okay guys, that's how we can add chroma key in Capcut. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!